You know who brought you spooning? The same people who brought you freedom. America.
We could take something so primitive from the British and make it so much bigger and better.
More spoons, the better.
Aquí en los Estados Unidos, cucharamos en todos los idiomas del mundo.
Here in the state of California, it is of the utmost importance to have a sanitary environment whilst spooning.
New Yorkers think they spoon better. Your mother.
When spooning in America, it's important to be as loud as possible.
It's important to document your technique.
I like to play a little game called Just the Tip.
Spoon, 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 spoon!
First we landed on the moon, and then we gave you the spoon.
I'll teach you how to use the spoon.
Ow, ow, ow!
America.
And remember, the most important thing about spooning is that it brings us all together.
You guys.